Hey, it's weekend again, and I continue finding balance in life to improve my overall health. At the same time, ayaw ko rin gumastos ng marami kasi nga, I need to save. So, I continue walk and search for the place to exercise, meditate, and realize why I'm at the deepest level. At dito ako dinala ng aking mga pagay. So dito nga tayo guys, mag-walking tour sa may Artilim Boulevard, Seaside. So napunta ko na siya dati pero hindi siya gano'n ka-local. Kaya mas maganda siguro ngayon. So parang let's dive in and hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Samahan niyo ako. Ayun. So sa aking paglakad-lakad guys, ang dami ko ring naspatan. Andyan rin yung magagandang buhangin wherein you can smoothly walk. And that's what I like the most kasi nga nakakapag-exercise ako while enjoying the view. Andyan rin yung mga masasayang locals na nagpapasyal-pasyal din dito. So hindi siya boring. And you can do whatever you want to do. Whether yung uupo ka lang, maglalakad-lakad, taking pictures or vlogging just like what I did. Yun. So kahit ano, you are free to do those things here. And kung gusto mo lang din i-enjoy yung karagatan, well, you may do so. Just like those other locals were doing here. Alright, so let's continue walk. So, ayan guys. So, ito yung pinaka-highlights na binabalik-balikan ng mga locals dito sa Artilim Boulevard, yung paglubog ng araw. So, napaka-scenic and parang nakaka-release talaga ng stress. So, kung ikaw ay mahilig ka rin sa nature, gusto mo mag-release ng stress mo sa nature, punta ka lang dito sa Artilim Boulevard around 5 to 5:30 kasi mawi-witnessan mo na yung paglubog ng araw. And of course, aside from you would enjoy the ocean view, fresh air din, and sa gabi may pa-food trip din sila. So, ayan, hindi ko na pabain and thank you so much for watching. You forgot to say the remedy. Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.